Well, hey there. Uh, my name's Jason Knight from Mississippi. Currently at work, as you can uh, tell. Um, Place I really don't want to be, but here I am. Anyway, the best thing about the program, I love the live coaching in the chats where it's pretty awesome being able to talk to Mark either through the video or through the chats. Um, Biggest challenge before this program, feeling helpless uh, in this economy, feeling like I'm chained down in this uh, prison of work life. Um, and as far as how did B&B Blueprint help solve it, that's still a work in progress. Still learning. Have an appointment for my LLC tomorrow. But thank you for the opportunity to learn from you and Mark. Uh, I've been a critical care flight paramedic for a little over 20 years now. Um, Cost me my marriage. I did have a lot of saves, and I'm proud that the families have their loved ones back, but I want mine back. And this is what I'm hoping to achieve is more time with my family. And I just thank you guys for taking a chance with me. Um, I hope to start earning soon so I can get out of this environment. But wish you all well, the best. Stay awesome.